5 Traits of Top Social Media Influencers. Unlike before, when social media marketing success meant the number of followers or fans amassed, today's marketers know that influencers are imperative to a brand's success online. A smart marketer who knows the power of influencer marketing is investing considerable time in finding brand advocates such as ourselves, engaging with them, and establishing a strong brand influencer relationship. Why are online influencers so important to a brand? Consumers, who heavily rely on word-of-mouth recommendations, do not always believe everything a brand says. The influencers have an important role to play in such cases. To have better chances of success, influencers promote online campaigns and marketing messages. Features to look into for finding reputed social media influencers. The business model for business requirements. A reputed and good social media influencer is likely to develop a unique business model for meeting the business requirements of their clients. They are to be in a position to capture the business plan and to integrate the plan into the model. Different agencies would try to apply a uniform template business plan for all the clients. Capacity for interaction and communication. The reputed social media influencer would have the capability to enhance communication with the target market. Moreover, the agency is to know how the target market is to be related using their type of language and to provide content which is suitable for potential customers of the business. Effective marketing techniques and strategies. The other important feature of any reputed social media influencer is its capability to implement effective marketing techniques and strategies. The professionals need to create a proper business plan and to draft effective and efficient marketing techniques and strategies that are anchored towards the business objectives and goals. The agency is to maximize the software and tools suitable for meeting business needs. The following versus followers ratio. This is one of the most basic ways of determining if an individual is a true influencer. It is not uncommon to find people following or friending someone only because they were followed in the first place. Sample Twitter conversation. The true influencer is followed by at least twice the number of people he follows, and in some cases, a lot more than that. The question of credibility. Before going to the next step of engaging with the influencers, online marketers need to first establish the credibility of these people who will go on to become the voice of the brand. It is important that your potential influencers post frequently and are reasonably active on social media. The content posted by these brand advocates, no matter how compelling, will have little impact if the messages are few and far in between.